Quizitri comes with a library of pre-written quizzes ready to go. They're packed with questions and already have outcomes, so here's how to use one. In the dashboard, click on New Quiz. Enter your quiz name first, and then choose whether your quiz will be general or scored. You cannot change this afterwards, so make sure you choose correctly. The pre-written quiz templates are listed below. Choose by category using the drop-down, or use search to find what you need. Click on Preview to see the questions, and then click Select next to the one you want. Now your quiz is created and you can start editing. Click on Save Often and click Preview to see how your quiz will look. Choose from the options in the left-hand menu to set up your quiz.